0 Hour by Harry Dent is a book that offers a rather alarming analysis of the current economic state of the world. The book's central thesis is that the world is headed towards a major financial crisis that will usher in a period of economic depression that has never before been seen in human history. This is a bold statement, and it is one that Dent spends the majority of his book trying to convince the reader of. Dent is a renowned economist and author, and his book is well researched and backed up by various data sources. He argues that the current economic system is unsustainable and is being propped up by government intervention, which is artificially boosting asset prices and keeping the economy afloat. He believes that this cannot continue indefinitely and that there will come a time when the bubble bursts, leading to mass panic and a significant downturn in the global economy. One of the strengths of 0 Hour is the clear and simple way in which Dent presents his arguments. He uses analogies that will be familiar to most readers, such as the comparison between the current economy and a Ponzi scheme. He also makes use of charts and graphs to help demonstrate his points and make complex economic concepts more accessible to readers. However, some readers may be left feeling overwhelmed by the sheer weight of evidence that Dent presents. He cites numerous examples of economic downturns and crises from history to illustrate his points, and for some, this could be too much information to take in. Additionally, some of his predictions may seem a little too extreme, such as his suggestion that the stock market could fall by as much as 80%. That being said, even those who disagree with Dent's predictions would do well to read his book as it provides a valuable critique of the current economic situation. He highlights the fact that the world is over-reliant on debt, and that the levels of debt currently held are simply unsustainable. This is an issue that needs to be addressed, regardless of whether one believes that an economic crisis is imminent. Dent also offers suggestions for how individuals can protect themselves from the economic crisis that he believes is coming. He recommends investing in so-called crisis-proof investments such as gold, silver, and defensive stocks. He also advises readers to pay off debts and to be prepared to weather significant economic turbulence. While some of his advice may seem overly cautious, it is always better to be prepared for the worst-case scenario. Dent is one of few in his field who see deflation just as likely if not more than inflation.